Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Affairs for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as US30, Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully and I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So regularly what we are doing, our weekly analysis starts from DXY. So followed by Euro USD, GU, AU, NU, UCAD, UJ, UHF, AJ, CJ, NCAD, EN, US30 Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude. So let's start from DXY. So this is my 4-hour chart, what you are seeing here. And the plan remains same, whether this could be an A or B, this could be a W or X, and we are on the connecting wave for the further bullish to break this 103.82. That is my bias, and I don't have any other alternative counts, whether if it is breaking this low or without breaking this low may or may not, still that count is valid for my target. Whether if it is moving and if it breaks this also, it has to reach at least 98. That we will see later onwards if it breaks this 88 zone. So as of now, I don't have any other alternative counts. Just we are in that, either this could be an expanded triangle or it could be a regular connecting wave for the upper side. So just we will move on to the 1-hour chart. And the previous week also I said from here it has to shoot, otherwise one more low is there. But after the wave is here, the formation, it is not so satisfied and it dropped again. So again it is still extended. That is my question. From here itself I am expecting for that. And previous what I said is this could be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here it has to shoot. But again what I said is one more, if it is a 3, one more 4 and 5 has to happen. So whether this is the end of the 3, it's already broken the low. So now this is the 3, it's confirmed, and whether this is the 4, because this ABC is A, ABC is a B here, ABC is a ABC is a B, and one more C here. So whether this could be an, because it's not yet broken the high, so here it's broken the low and one spike is there. So this whole thing becomes A, B and C in a running flag. So this is the end of the 4th wave, and 5th wave is also A, B and C. So each wave contains A, B, C. So in that case, if it is the low and I don't want to break this low as per this count, but I did the 3rd is the end of the 3rd. So again 4th can happen, and again one more low is also happen, and it could be again 89.4 or 89.3 is also available here. Okay, so what is the count here? If whether it is the end of the 5th, it has to shoot from here, or what is the next count here, what I draw here. That means this ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2. So whether this A, and if it is B here, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it looks like here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So whether if it is an A, B is here, instead of I drawn here, if it is here, this could be the C wave of 5 waves. So this is the end of the 3rd, and one more A, B, C to the 4th wave. So it may again, there is, if it is not the wedge, this kind of wedge also available here, because the 4th wave may be a little bit bigger. So up to that new year, and the Christmas. It can be again and again. It looks like a reverse, the head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, and then again it may drop also for the bigger fourth. So whether this going to be a wedge like this, or this is the end of the third, fourth and fifth is already ended, from here it can shoot. Otherwise, if it is a smaller fourth wave and again one more fifth wave to the 89.3 is also available, and that wedge is, it may be break like this. So everybody, what we also thought here, it's already broken the channel and again it come into the channel here. I will show you that this channel. So what I think, it's already broken the daily channel. So from here it has to shoot like that I told. But after that, the fundamental things, and again it grinding to the downside, and now we are in that same final stage of that DXY. So whether how long it will took, there is a question mark, but it has to reverse. Whether it is going to make a new low of 88 below, or without breaking that 88.24, it is going to be, yeah, a bullish. So whether, mind that this could be a 1 2 3 4 5 is already ended, or this could be a one more fourth wave and then fifth wave, or it could be a again bigger fourth wave of 91 and then again fall of the three-way structure. So anything is possible here. So maybe reverse, or one more low is possible after the three-way structure, or it could be reverse also. So let's move on to Euro USD, and just we will look at how the daily looks, the DXY. See here, this is a X, okay, this is a Y, this is a X. So A, B, see 1 2 3 4 5. So if it is a A, it's a B, C is a 1, so this is the 2. So 1 2 3 4 5, what I said. So it could be A, B and C, one more fourth wave and then again fifth wave. So like that only we have to do in the daily chart. So this is the Y wave and this is the X continuation to the downside. So instead of we making it as a W, this could be a B. So C means 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So one more fourth wave up to the 91. So that means we can took a retracement of the third wave. So it's again that 91 is a 38.2 retracement, what I said. So it looks like an inverted head and shoulder, and then again it may drop. So everything, it will be looks like that only, inverted head and shoulders. Here how it looks, it's a head, this is a shoulder, and then it didn't break that neck, and again it may fall like that. It could happen in that 4 hour or 1 hour here. If it goes like this, what we call it as a head, and this is the shoulder, and while if it is coming, whether it is breaking to, we are all looking for the breakout for that here, but again it may drop like this, what I expected, what I explained the previous. So let's see how it moves. So same the Euro USD also. Here I'll show you that. Here is A, B, C. So the W connecting wave. So this is the Y is a diagonal triangle wave. So WX, Y is finished, and here is the X. So for me this is the A, B, C means 1 2 3 4 and 5 is completed. So this is the wave count, 1 2 3 4 and 5. But the inside, if we look that in that 1 hour, how it looks, what we place this as a Y, and this is the X, and we are on the Z wave. So Z wave contains of ABC. So whether this could be a diagonal triangle pattern, it may be. So that is why I have placed this as a ABC as a 1, ABC is a 2. So whether this is a B, C, or this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and C. So here is the confusion start. So for me, it's look again. There is a this could be a D, if the DXY is ended there, maybe a lot of chances, because I took it as this ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4, and here this is the A and B and C here. And then this one, this is the impulsive wave. So this is the 4, this is the A, B, and C. So this is also possible. And one more possible is here. If this is the end of the fourth wave, because ABC is a B, A, B, and C. So this could be also a 1 second. Yeah, A. This is a B, C, and then this is a C. So this could be a third. This could be a fourth, and the fifth is ended, means A is there. One more B has to happen, and C one more high is also possible. So in that case, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, and C is 5. So this is the complete 5-way structure. Whether it is already entered or one more high is also possible. It's a very tough in the diagonal triangle way. And what will happen once again, that what I said in the DXY, if it is there, this could happen like this also again, and again it may make a one more high. So that means what we have to conclude is the third wave is extended. Again it will go like this, third, fourth, and fifth. So that is, there is no more another wave count here. So whether like this it has to happen, and the same thing in DXY also. So let's move on to GBP USD. So GBP USD also exactly what I said. If I stopped out, stopped out from here, what I said in the previous, and I didn't done anything last week also, I said the same thing. It has to again one more drop, and then again it has to go higher, but it's doing lot of corrections, and I'm not able to count this. So whether this is a ABC as a 1, ABC is a 2, here is A, so B and C as a 3, ABC as a 4, ABC as a 5. So in that case, if it is in the diagonal triangle pattern, the Y way is entered, it has to come down without any, again and again you don't want to make the new high here. But again if it does, means as of now I don't have any alternative view, but still there is a lot of chances for making this, and again one more high is ahead. Because in any conditions, what I'm trying to say is, in the positional, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So it don't want to break this high. So in that case, what I said in the previous of diagonal triangle also, if this is the fourth and this is the fifth, means again it don't want to break this. So if it again and again if it breaks, means that view is changed, completely changed. So in that case, how I am looking here is whether this is a WXY and we are in the perfect channel. It is doing, and again it will bounce from this channel, inside channel, and that this thing, this channel. So it will do like this only. I will show you here in the daily. It will do like this. Only after the completion, if it getting rejected and about, and if it breaks this channel only, we can calculate, and whatever it may be, the wave count we can do. So as of now, for me, it looks like ABC, and this is the connecting wave, and again A is going on. So whether it is again one more drop like this, and again one more high is also possible. So in that case, this trend line channel is broken. This trend line is broken. The same thing in Euro USD also, it got the trend line was broken here, but still I'm expecting it has to break this 340 1.0340. So like that in GBP USD also, if it breaks means again it can go up to that 1.4 also, and again it may drop. And the positional view, what I said is here, this is a A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's completed. So as of now, this is a W, X, A, B, C, Y, and if, and I said if this X is completed here, A, B, and C is Z is already over here. So this W and this is the X, it's already got completed, and it already broken the previous low also. But in Euro USD, it didn't broke, and it didn't break this low in Euro USD. It is still valid here. So in GBP USD, it's already dead, but in Euro USD, it is not yet break that low. So whether it is this is the end of the trend, or that X wave is still alive in that formation of a running flat, or if it is goes above that as an expanded flat, and then again one more down also available. So, and I'm decided to make a one video only for the positional views in the weekly and monthly, to understand where we are and how I'm making that the decision of whether it is has to one more low, or it can reversed like that. It has to be make a one more new video, not in this weekly. So if I have a time, I will make sure that I will do one video only for the positional view of GBP USD, everything what we are regularly doing, right? The only for the majors, not for the minors. So DXY is already I'm doing that. So EU, GU, AU, NU, and UCAD, UJ, and UCHF for the 7 pairs. And even I can include that gold and silver also. So nearly 9 pairs it comes around. So it will took more than, I think minimum is 2 hours. I need to explain that. So no one has make like that kind of video for the positional view from the 1971. I having a data, so I can make a video in the mid of that this week, or in the Christmas holiday. I decided to make that, but uh, I'm not sure this week, or maybe I will be share that maybe tomorrow if I get any free time. Maybe tomorrow also I can make that, but go through that, you can understand that how I'm decide to analysis whether it is EU has to, why EU has to break, and GBP USD has to break, AU, NU, everything I will explain. It's already shared my post in the trading view and my Telegram channel also, all the positional in the past I think before the 2 months ago, but I didn't explain that much in the chart. So in the video I can make, so I will do that as soon as possible. So don't miss that, only for the positional views of majors and DXY, maybe gold and silver I can add. So let's move on to, yeah, GBP USD, that same count. So whether it is going to make a 1.4, but between below before that I need a drop. So before that I need a drop, or if it is the end means of the Z wave W, X, Y, XZ, or it could be a little bit extended, means another one more three-way is also possible, what I said. So anyway, whether it is breaking this channel, or we can make a one more channel, the clone this trend line, bring it here. So whether if it is a bigger correction also, if it is a running flat, this kind of running flat in the mid part, so this is the connecting wave. So after the fundamental news, the Brexit news or anything, if it comes, if it is a positive, the traders feels, or that fundamental news gets boosted, so whether it can do like this also, one more three-way structure. So how we can do is the connecting wave. So in that 78.6, so it's around 1.44 or 1.41. So 61.8 or 78.6, and if it is 78.6 means that will come to an expanded flat in that X wave, or if it is below that means that is still possible for the running flat. And again we can yeah, for example I will show you here. Yes, that one is also exactly same. It is a 61.8 is 4.1, and here it is showing that 3.8, or if it is 1272 and it is a 786, the both are combined here at 1.45 or 1.4467. So within this range I am expecting, but I need this wave, and then again it has to break this, so then only it is valid. But until that, whether this is a five-way corrective structure or one more three-way structure within this channel, and again one more high is also possible to 1.3839, and again there is a drop also, so that is also valid. So it becomes then this is a W, X, Y, X and Z. So like that it can do, but anything can happen here and it can drop. So that is also valid, because it's all depends upon the DXY, how it moves, whether it is having a one more low, or it is reversed from there, or one more high to the 91 and then again drop, like that it is doing that wave formation. So let's move on to AUD. So AUD USD also, let's keep on extending. So now, and same thing as well as a euro also, this is also AX. So this is a diagonal triangle wave. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, and last stream I said there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the A. So this could be a B, whether this is the B or this is the B, and C, this is the W, X, ABC. So this whole thing becomes a third wave also. In that case, that is why I have put the question mark here. So this is the end of the third in the different pattern. So if we keep this as the third, this is the fourth. So at the time 1, 2, 3, and we get the three-way structure and nearly to the next support zone of 1.75, and again it can shoot up to 77, not 1.75. This is a 75 zone, and again there is a 200 pips to the upside in the three-way structure to complete this pattern. So in that case that is also valid. Or if it is the end means I counted this as an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the previous, so this becomes A and this becomes a B. So C could be ended here, means this is the end of the third, and fourth and fifth is the explained. Now if that W, if we make it as a B, C as a W, this could be an X and again A, B. So C completed means here it looks like 4, sorry 3, 4 and A, B, C 5, because it's already broken the high also of this third wave. So A, B, C, or in case this could be a 1, this could be a 2, 3, 4 and 5, means this is the W, this is the X. So A is completed here. So it keep on going means we can't trade. but all depends on the DXY. So whether it is already ended, what I said the previous, or one more low to higher to the 77 is also possible. So this is a difficult to count here. Lot of possibilities count is there. So A, so in that B and C. So this could be A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B and C. So in that case, this is the end of the third. So fourth has to happen. So we just place a channel, dotted lines of blue, and just to clone that. And we placed here. So fourth has to come to this zone. What I said, the 7-5. And again, one more three-way structure to the upper side is also possible. So this is my trade plan for that Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar also. So New Zealand also same. So whether this is a B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it has to decline from here, or this could be a AB C1 AB C2. So the whole thing becomes a 3, and this could be the fourth here in the ABCA, ABCB and ABCC. So it has to come below this 7080. So that could be a fourth and fifth also. So whether it is already ended, or this could be a one more high is also possible, and again it may drop. So we are in that final stage that we come to know that, because in this also A, B, C, again A, B, C, A, B and C. So we are in the three waves. We can just simply identify the wave structure. We have to count like that, but here it's entirely different, right? So for understanding, this is ABC and this is the connecting wave, and the next ABC is there. So we are in that ending stage. So for example, we can make it as this thing nearly, that's because it is not in the aggressive bullish pattern. This is a diagonal triangle pattern. So whether it could be a 61.8 or 78.6, it's keep on going. So that is also valid as per this. Otherwise we can do it as here, it's nearly 2618. So as around 72 is also possible. So let's see how it moves, right? And we will move on to USD Cad. So USD Cad and the DXY is all the same chart. There is no alternative view. So 1, 2, so W, this is the X. So Y is in that triangle formation. And here, in the previous stream also, what I said in that video, if this is the end of the fourth, here said, yeah, this is the end of the third, fourth, and the fifth is already ended means, and it didn't break this low. So whether this is the end of the fourth, ABC fifth, and we are in that higher side, in the bullish side, or it could happen like this. This is the end of the third means, sorry, here, and here's A, B and C, and here this also. Yeah, A, B, C, and here also it's already broken the high. So whether that fourth exactly here, it is exactly break this high. So whether this could be a connecting wave, and one more ABC is also did. In that case, another one more low is also possible to 1.26. That is what I already informed, that one more ABC wave to the 1.26 and then to the north. So whether it's already completed here, if it is a fourth, and fifth is also there, and because it didn't break, I will show you the 1 hour, and it didn't break this low here, this low. So whether this is the end of the trend here, or this could be a simple ABC, it's completed. ABC is a W, is a X, ABC. So this could be the, and it is exactly the trend line is also perfectly here. Yes, this trend line is also perfectly fitted here. So one more ABC is also possible, or it can reverse from here itself. So let's move on to USD JPY. So USD JPY, I expected, and I have already said this is the W, sorry, Y, and this is an impulsive wave. It could be a C wave also. It exactly did the same thing. And what I said, if it is a possible, it has to break this high, and I expected it has to come to rejected, and then again one more ABC is also possible, and from here it has to shoot, and again what it did, it didn't break the high. So now this is the W, this is a X, here the ABC is a W, X. So again ABC is another W, X, A, B, A, 1 2 3 4 5 A, after the B, and one more drop is there, because this I had already did here. So here this is the one here, now this is the one here in that wave, and now it has to happen here. So again one more drop, it's also there, nearly to that 102.3 something, or 102 point, yeah, 102.3 or 102.5. So whatever that it's doing that. So if it is there, I will show you. So this is the ABCA connecting wave, again ABCA, this is the connecting ABCA, and this is the connecting ABCA. So from here I expected, and the way of the price action here, it's a very bearish, and I thought, and I said this could be the end of that X. We have to simply move this X here. This is this move, maybe a C wave, the end of the C wave, that is what, and in the running flat, and one more low is has to break this low, and it's already dead, and again see, so this could be the fourth, and again if already did, so it is valid now, and one more drop is also there. So after that we are expecting here to the bullish price action. But even though, and again it is doing the same thing, if it fall from here and again it may break this low, still chances in that another alternative view. So how, what we have to do, that means this WXABC, this is the connecting wave, this is the connecting wave, right? So simply we have to move this as a connecting wave. So we will mark as a red color, and this simply once again, yeah, A, B, C. So this becomes a, maybe we can calculate as a three-way structure, A, B, C, D, E. So here we need to make this once again. I'll remove all those things. So this X has to be here, yeah, A, B, C, Y, it's completed. So here it may be another three-way structure, means ABC is a W, ABC is a X, ABC is a Y. So this is a connecting wave of X, and here one more, so ABCA. So here one more wave to the upper side. So then this could be a running flat, and again one more drop is also there. So for here, this is the connecting wave here, A, ABCA, ABCB, and this A, B, and C. So this could be in one more wave to the lower side is also possible, and I will clearly explain that still in that positional wave count while what I'm doing that in that tomorrow or in this week or in the midweek. I will explain that UJ from here the 1971, and for the UJ, UHF, everything what I said the previous, right? I will show you that, and you can understand clearly how I am doing that here. So anything is still one more wave, and this could be a A. So A, B, C, A, B, and C is also possible. So mind that from here it can shoot, because I'm not sure about this gold is the going to the high again, and it has to go to that 2000 also, it is also possible. So now it is around the 1890 zone. Yes, 1880, and it's already touched the 1896. So how it behaves here, so that is the main thing, and I will explain that in this positional trade view. So mind that whether there is a one more from here, it can high or one more low is also possible, but it's already broken the low. So now that is a still valid for that bullish scenario. So whenever the dollar gets strength, gold has to drop, but nowadays there is not correlations it's going on. So I am expecting that US30 also has to fall. So in that case, how it reacts the gold, and UJ how it going to act, that is the main question mark here. So let's see how it moves. So we will move on to USD Chef. So USD Chef also, it's graining in the final stage. It is not able to count here because everything it is in uh, moving very overlapping and messy. So from anywhere it is going to make a new high of 1.03450. It has to break. So as of now, A, B, C, and fifth way is also completed here. But if it is a ABCA, ABCB, and if it is a C wave, if this is the A and one more B is there, if we remove this and this is the end of the fourth wave, it's already broken that low. So this could be a running flat also. So here is a A, or it's A, B, C is already ended, or this is the A and one more B can make a one more three-way structure, and then again it's drop also. So A, B, and C. So that is the final end of this trend. So everything. So See, and one more thing I have forgotten to uh, inform here. See, all that it's doing dollar pairs are only in the wedge formation. So wedge will be the end of the trend. It will occur only in that end of the trend, or it could be in the starting of the leading diagonal or in the ending diagonal. So like that, see in UHF it's already dead, right? And USD Cad, it is already in the wedge formation. And USD Jpy, it is in the channel. So this is in the channel. And DXY, it is also in that wedge formation, final stage. So every and Nifty US30, I will show you that Nifty also. See, Nifty is also in that wedge formation. It's like a sword. And US30, it is in the wedge formation. So everything, all the dollars and the stocks are doing the wedge formation and overlapping like this. So this is a cautions for it has a drop. So whether it is going to be a bigger or a deeper correction, or if it is in 50% retracement, that I will info that we have to watch the wave formation. So we finished the USD chef also. So once again, so whether this is the end of the trend or it is going to make a one more low after the three-way structure. So up to the New Year or Christmas. So New Year maybe for the dollar can be pull up to that, and it is going to strength. So let's move on to AUD JPY. So AUD JPY also, it's already broken the high. So what I expected here is the WX ABC is already completed. So whether it is going to another making a X and again Y, so it is also possible. So here one more three-way structure is also, and retested this, and again it can go to the higher side is also possible, and a lot of chances for reversing also. So mind that UJ may be a one more low also. And here if it is a JPY is getting the strength, means again it can make a three-way structure and again it can go back, because in UJ if it shoots means AJ also shoot. All the Japan yen pair maybe get that losing his strength, and then it can go back to that 80 level also, because WX. So we are on the Y wave here. 1A is completed, so B has to happen, and again C has to go back to that 80.8 or 81 and the previous high 81. So once the structure is got ended, 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, 1 2 3, that's it, simple. It's everything, it's simple when we are listening to that explaining that wave counts. It's very easy. ABC connecting wave, ABC, simple. But what we did and how we executed the position, where we entered, where we booked the profit, even though I got a stop hit right in the AJ. So that is the thing. After the wave formation, we are doing very good analysis. But before that, how we have to? So that is why I'm just keep on saying that it's everything. It's a different view. Even though if you get that one chart to the Elliott wave traders, everybody having a different views. All are valid, not only me. And the same thing I will explain in the US30. It's a very beautiful chart in US30. I can understand that deeply. I'll show you that also. So in that case, if it is a one more three-way structure, this could be another W, bigger X, ABC. So it will keep on going like in three-way structures like this. So what we think, okay, 81 is the target. If you enter here, it will do like this, and again it can go back. And what you will do, and here if it comes here, and what we thought, okay, it's already ended and it's already topped and it's already broken the high, so it is going to reverse. And what you would do, and here you sell here and make a stop loss here, and it will hit the stop loss, and then again it may make a new high. So that time, what do you think? My first analysis is the best. So lot of changes will be there according to the price action. The one thing we need to stick is the positional trade setup. That's it. But when you have to enter, where you have to exit, according to your lot size, according to your capital, you have to do that positioning size. That is most important. So let's move on to CAD JPY. So CAD JPY also, it's already broke the high, exactly did, and it is now got a rejection in that trend line, the channel. I'll show you in that here. So there's a lot of possibilities that I am explained that. So that is why I have shared my view here. No safe trade, only if it breaks the 81 point may go above. No trade so far. So it's already broke the 81.91 and it is came down. So what is the option here? Lot of options here. So whether this A, B and C, this is the W. So here what it did, another A, B, C, it's already did in that irregular flat because it's already broken. So one more A, B, C. After that, it can go back from our target. It can break. Again, it can come. So still, whether we are in that correction part, once it got completed, then only it has to show. That is why I explained in the past stream. You just go through that, and I don't want to again and again making the same analysis to here, and no need to waste your time also. So for CJ, the same plan I have explained that you can go through that the previous analysis. And what else we need to see? Yeah, UHF finished, AJ, CJ and NCAD. NCAD, I am in short. As I explained that here I booked the profit of 120 pips and booked only off, and only off is remaining. And what I did is, again I already shorted that this pair at 1.106. Again I added that off position what I booked here, and I explained that here it's already broken the high, so we are in that irregular flat formation, and I expected this the 5S structure, and that 1272 we get the exactly in that zone we are getting the rejection, keep on getting the rejection and the overlapping thing. And according to the fib expansion, I shorted at 9145. In this zone I shorted, and I booked the profit at 09120 here, 9020. After that I booked only the off, and for here it's looking like it may go from here itself. It has a chances for making a low from here also, but it is a deeper correction. So whether I'm expecting, this is the two I have already said that, or this is going to make a deeper correction at 9080 I said, and keep on watching that in the 9080 I didn't done because the wave count is still going on in the 1 hour. Here 1 2 3 4 5. So what I thought here, after the completion of this wave, that is why I have got entered at 9106 here, and it did again one more 3 way from here. If it is making, I understand that one more high is also possible, so it did the same thing, but I'm already having a stop loss at 9165 because in the positional view This is the end of, this is the, one second, yes, W, X, and this is the W. So this is the three-way structure, and we are in the irregular flat formation. So in that, this is the A, the five-way structure. So B is already completed, and again it is doing that five-way structure. So here is a five-way structure. So for this five-way structure, we are in the irregular flat formation in the B way, and again C way has to come. So in either case, whether this is the A or W, or this is the X or B, so this is the A, and one more high is not allowed because it's a irregular flat already we connected, and it is not looking like this is a A, this is a B, 1 2 3 4, and one more wave to the high is also possible here. This is a 1, exactly the 38.22 retracement, and it is getting rejected here. So whether this ABC is a ABC is a B, C means 1 2 3, and this could be a fourth wave, and one more high is also possible. So in that case, one more high, and then again it may drop like that B wave. So if we keep this as a A, this is the A, B, and C is complete, because this is the W, X, A, B, C, what I had did in the previous. Because this is the A, this is not looking like a five-way structure. Here it is looking like a five-way, and after this, this is looking like a clearly the three-way structure. And again, this is a three-way structure. So this is also, I thought this could be a three-way structure. So this is a, so this is a B and C. But in sometimes that C wave, if we make it this ABC is a ABC is a B, 1 2 3 4 5. So after that, again if it hit the stop loss of me also for us, and then again it may drop also. So this stop is not safe. Just now, while I analyzing the pair, I got this idea. So whether we keep this as a W, X, A, B, C means another is not allowed. But in this case, if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we keep watching this in the 4-hour, see 1, 2, 3, and we are on the fourth wave, and fifth wave can go high. But in this here, it looks like a very, very aggressive wave. So that is why what I thought is this could be a wave 1, and we are in the irregular flat formation of wave 2. So after that, if it hit the stop loss also, I'm not worrying, because it's already I did 120 pips here. So I need to lose that. So it's a free trade for me. But if it get rejected and if it is coming down, what will be my risk reward? So if it is hit and then again if it is coming down, so in the pullback, we need to enter the trade. That's it. So whether it is the end of the trend or it is making one more high and again it may drop, so everything is possible, but I need this kind of wave formation. This wavelength has to happen here. After that, it has to going to shoot. So that is my positional view I have explained here. Whence is the W, so this is going to be X, so ABC. So this again one more impulsive. So this is a, have to lot of things has to do here because of the X wave, connecting wave, and then ABC in the three-way structure. It may break this high or may not. If it breaks that high means that is an expanded flat, or if it didn't break this high, that could be an also a running flat, and then again one more drop. So let's see, and I think we finished this, yeah, and move on to the Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand also, yeah, from here, so we need a 1.7, my target is 1.78 or 1.79. So, and how I get the target means this is my impulsive wave of A, and we are in the irregular flat of B. So approximately if it goes to that 1.6850, so that 786 is 1.7690, so this is that resistance zone. Or if it is making to 1.1 means it could be around 1.79, so this is my target. But whether it is getting ready to go for the higher, or it is going to be a one more low and then again maybe a high. So I explained that also in the previous video, so go through that, and it is still valid. And here also it is very messy. So it's a lot of times it is doing that, this kind of messy only. The market will be move only the 30% of impulsive, and rest of the time of 70% is in correction. But here, see, it did the same thing here in this zone. So like that it may happen here also. So whether this is the end of the trend and we are in that higher zones, or this could be an A, B, C, D, and we are in the E wave, and now it is going to drop, or from going to high. It's a very tough to trade this now. If you are a positional trader and if you put the stop loss below that 1.66 and looking for that 1.79 from here, it is not a good risk reward, because this is a 500 pips stop loss, and that only that 700 pips is just a target. So unnecessarily no need to do that. So wait for the confirmation. If anything happens, if any confirmation, in my view, I will inform you. So this I thought this could be an here in the previous ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, and ABC is 3, and it can continue to go to hit the target, and then again it may come also. But here the structure is not yet completed for me. This is still we are in that X wave, maybe a triangle, and one more ABC to the Z wave is also possible. That is why I have it written here. Or it could be again, here is the end of the trend. So we are, it's making one more correction and then again drop. So that is also possible. But I am expecting my target is 1.7. It has to achieve 1.77. This zone has to come. So whether it is getting ready now or it is making one more new low, and that it can go higher, because here the euro is also in strengthened, and New Zealand also gets strengthened. That is why it's keep on messy. So let's move on to US30. So US30, it's now and I already shared that it's looking very easy. The same A, B, and C. So this is a one impulsive three-way structure here, and I said several times, I explained this. I counted this as an A, and I'm looking for that B and C. So lot of I have explained here in this zone, and I missed this rally. That also I have explained, because I'm expecting one more load and then again it has to shoot. So don't want to enter again and again J. So as of now, and I took this as a three-way structure. So this is A, this is the B, and this is the C, simply. So everything it is a three-way structure. So this is also 3. So A, and this is the triangle is the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So this is the W, X, and Y is an running flat. That is why for this W, this is the corrective structure. So I have explained that three-way structure in the running flat correction. So this is the running flat, and A is completed now. So B is has to happen. So if you sell below this wedge formation, the first target would be a 28,700, and we have to wait for that, because this is a 38 point zone, 38.2, and it can bounce back to the 32 zone also. Or if it is a deeper correction, if it didn't make any triangle, if it is a triangle, it can come to the this zone, and then again it can back, it can make a triangle, and then it can make a shoot for the C wave. Otherwise, if it is a deeper correction, it can come to that 50 level or 61 point zone, and it is a beautiful trend line channel. It is everything. It is some, if it touches and it shakes the market here, and again it's get rejected, and again it retested, and again it's also retested, so again back, and this is also taking a support here. So maybe again and again it can retest it here or here to make a one more new low. So that means A, B, C. So the whole thing becomes a connecting wave, and one more A, B, C. So totally I'm looking only for this structure as a corrective structure, not an impulsive. That means still one more after this making the 32 point something, it has to drop like this in a three-way structure. So that could be end of the fourth, and one more impulsive wave is ahead. So after, if it is reaching there, fall, and then again it has to shoot for the higher zones. So still we are in that fourth wave, and it correlates that Nifty also. So whether I make it as this as a tree, so fourth won't be a very simple one. So this three-way structure, and again this is a three-way structure, one more three-way structure have to happen for the fourth, and again it has to shoot for that fifth way. So still we are in the bullish, but the positionally we are in the fourth way. So it will confuse lots. In Nifty, I'm not to make to identify, but in US30, this is the three-way structure really helps me. We are in the, still we are in the correction. In US30, it looks like a three-way structure, but in Nifty, it is looking like a five-way structure. And then only I recognized, so that could be a very small B. Just for an sake, I will show you that. See, in previous, what I thought, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or one more, this is a 1, 2, and the diagonal triangle, sorry, this wedge formation maybe, or sometimes it will be in third way also, and again drop for the fourth, and one more way 5. So in that case, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is got extended. I thought like that only, but after that US30, I saw this, it could be A, B, C as a A. So B is very small, only the 23.6, and after that this could be 1, 2, 3, and it is making a fourth, and then again one more way to the high. So at the time of drop here also for the fourth wave, in the US30 also, we can make a drop here, this drop for the B. There it has a fourth wave, and here it's a B wave. So once it's completed, and there also that fifth wave may be completed. So at that time both can fall here, and for that your Nifty also, both are same. So this is what I have. That is why I just went to deep in this and find something amazing wave count, and I shared here for the swing trade opportunity here to the target mentioned here. Same thing. So what I explained now. So let's move on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here, what I said here, it could be an end of the trend, or if it is a fifth way is going to happen, means one more high is also possible, I said, to the 22, but it's already broken the 22 also, and nearly to the 23,800, 700. So still this A, B, 1, 2, 3, and this could be a fourth, and fifth, we are in the fifth way. So one more high is also possible to complete the structure. So after that only, whether this is the end of the third. See, if it is not a triangle, and I have explained that in the previous video also, you just go through that. So whether A, B, C contains of 5 ways, so this could be a 1, 2, so 3, and 3 got an extended. So this is a 1. It is not a triangle. If we are making this as an 1 means 2 will be here, not here. So 2 won't be a triangle. But there is a lot of options of positionals of A, B and C also. That is why I have written this. If we are making as a 2, this is the 2, not here. That is wave 2 can't be a triangle. So after this A, B, C means it has to hit to the nearly 24,500 or 24,200 and then again drop, or if it is a 1, so 2, so third is ended means fourth nearly it can again come to the 20,000 zone, and one more fifth way is also possible for the 25,000, and that is also actually I am took it this as an irregular flat. So 24, it's a nearly 1272 is nearly 24,310. So it may be again wandering here, and then again I need a rejection from here. So everybody, lot of peoples and lot of medias are hoping and hype this thing. It will reach nearly to that 1 lakh, like that they started, and everybody started to making this as a 1, 2, and we are on the third wave. So this is a 1, this is a 2, we are on the third wave. But I'm not sure about that, and I'm not comparing anybody, because a lot of people are keep on sending me about the Bitcoin and why you are making this as a W, and this is the, it looks like impulsive wave, this is a 1 and this is a wave 2 and we are in the wave 3. So it may or may not, but in my view it looks like A, B, C is a 3-way structure, and here is also 3-way structure. So again one more 3-way structure, or it could be a 5-way structure. So in that, this could be a B and C. It can go above the 24,000 as of now, but in previous I said from that 14,200 it has to come down, but it already shooted. So I missed the trade in my view, in my wrong view, because there is a lot of possibilities is there, but I didn't done. But I know whether it is has to make a high, this high, and then again it may drop, and then again it has to go, but the positional target is the same, but immediately it already did. That is why the possibility, we have to think a lot of possibilities before we make the trade. It can go like, see from here, lot of people including me also, what I said, from here it has a chances for making a 3-way structure, and after that only it has to go to shoot. So whether it is going to make a high, so from here it has to come down, and if it is there means it can make a irregular flat, but irregular flat is doing, but we missed that, right? So let's see how it moves. I'm looking still for the irregular flat, and again it has to reach that 10,000k, and then only if it is a bullish it can shoot. Otherwise, if it is a deeper correction, if it is going like a silver in this zone, lot of here, nearly it took how long, from 2011 to 20, so 9 years it is keep on graining, right? And still we are in that only. Again it has to show come to the downside, and then only it has to show. So this kind of price action can also happen in Bitcoin, may happen, that's it. So because I'm not on good fundamental basis about the Bitcoin, and I'm not going to get through the fundamentals to any pair, even though if it is in Forex also. So let's see, according to the analysis only we have to stick. So whether that even though if it is a right, their analysis is right, it's going to 1 lakh also, I need a plan to trade. I don't have any plan here. Whether, see, my plan is it has to come to the 10,000, then this wave formation I need to look. So I am a trader here, not an investor. So according to the trade, whether if it is a sell or a buy, I need to make a money, that's it. I no need to worry about this because of investor, because I'm not interested in the Bitcoin. How it moves, and I don't know how it plays also. I'm not able to understand that. So I no need to invest in this Bitcoin. I can invest in Forex also, I can keep the open positions for year also, and I can keep my investment in that stocks also, but not in cryptos. Without knowing anything, I won't invest in any cryptos. How it works is a blockchain, but I'm not going to there. So let's see. It's according to the Elliott waves. I keep on doing, and it's going good. That's it. So let's move on to gold. So gold, what I expected, the 19.05, it's still there. From here, I expected that to the 1800 zone or 1790 like that, and again it has to shoot, but it did a very small correction and it is already there. So this could be a W, this could be X, A, B, and C. It's already did, or one more low and one more high. So like this, it may happen, and whether it is going to drop. So whether it is going to drop from here or it is going to break this. So if it breaks this, means there is a lot of corrections in the deeper correction can happen here. And but this is the end of the trend, and everybody is saying it is going to shoot for the fifth wave to the 2200, but I'm not seeing that. Let's see. So as of now, my target is 1905. So whether it is going from here or it's already did from here, it can means from here it won't be like that, because the wave formation for this is a little bit correction, and this is also looking like a three-way structure. So again, one more three-way structure to the downside, maybe around 1840, and again we will change this, yeah, from here, and again one more way to the high side to break this channel, or it can fall from here itself. So that is the only one view. And if you watch this, and I will explain you in that positional, no need to now you just go through that positional view, and I will show you that in that what I'm making the positional view. You can see that, but as of now, this could be an X. Again, one more drop to that 1660 is also possible. In this zone, sorry, 1760, 1735, and it already did the 1765. So whether it could be a aggressive to make that 1660 here, and after that making a three-way structure consolidation, or it is going to make a deeper correction and again fall. So let's see. And silver also same. As I said, it's already maybe a triangle I said, but the triangle is now got invalid because it's already broken the $26. And what I did is I entered at 25,800 because I'm expecting the triangle. So I entered at 25,800 in this zone. I entered in the short. So here A, B, C is completed. So whether one more new high is also possible. But now this is the thing we have to understand. This is a W and X, A, B, C, and it's already broken the high. Whether it is going to make a new low to break this, or it will do a maximum complex correction, but now it is ready to go to the downside. It has a chances. What I'm trying is, one correction is got completed. If it is again complex correction, means again it can come to the downside here in this zone nearly 23.6. After that it can shoot further another A and B and C. So it could be around $28. So that this could be a connecting wave. So this could be a connecting wave. After that, A, B, C. And again from here it has to come to the downside. So I think I finished. And one more, US oil. I forgot to do that. Yeah, US oil, I have already posted the two views, right? So one thing here is this is the W, sorry, this is the A, yeah, and very small B. And if it is a C wave, it's not looking like a C wave because here is the overlapping and it's here some wedge formation. It's happened here. So whether this is a B, C is a W, X, A, B and C. So that means this is a W, X, Y is completed, and again we may come to the downside for the running flat or expanded flat. Like this is the chances. Or what else next means, and this is also 1618 below before that. But nowadays what I said, if you are follow of me, I'm a lot of example I show you that it will hit that 1618 and again it may drop. So at the time also, this is the three-way structure. After that, one more three-way structure has to happen. So at that time, this could be a irregular flat. After that, this A, this is the B, and C has to go above the 60 level and my target. So that is the view 1, and I have already showed that also in my Telegram channel as well as in trading view also. But there is a one more chances. This is the one. If it is a case of this is the end of the B, C could be a diagonal triangle. So in that case, ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X. So we are in the still we need to make a and then B. After that it could be a C. So that third wave could be around 52 or 52 and a half. After that the confirmation the three-way structure 4 and 5. It will continue like that. I will show you in that my Telegram channel I have posted, but I forgot to, yeah, one second, yeah, I already did, but only the one view I have already posted that about the crude. Yeah, here see this is a B. So whether it is going to make a this kind of what I explained here, or it could be expanded flat. And one more, this is the view 2, okay, and this is the view 1 in the comment box. See, this is the view 1. So in the bullish side. So this is the wave 1, wave 2. What I explain is the A. Now we are in the A wave, still not yet completed. After that, the three-way structure as a B, and C wave also. Again, maybe a five-way structure, or it could be a another three-way structure also for the end of the third. So it could be around 52 to 53, I said. After that, the three-way structure 4 and ABC. So it will be moving like this. But if it moves like this, what will be the UCAD? That is my question mark. So it will whether correlated or it can be in the three-way structure to the downside. I'm not sure about this. And sometimes if I'm keep on watching this in this one second, in this WTI, here sometimes I'm looking this as a A, this looks like a B, this looks like a C. My view is keep on changing. So whether this is a possible or not, I have to look for this, and then only it can be again one more three-way structure deeper. If it comes to the deeper correction, then that UCAD can go above that 1.38, or it could keep graining like this. Whether it is an A, B, C means what I explained, that the two possibilities also available. But here is my question mark. Here up to here, it's everything is fine. But this zone, that's which zone will happen only in that ending diagonal. But after the ending diagonal, drop lot and because of the B wave it's very small. I'm just looking for that. It's only 23.6 and not even the 38.2 also. So whether if it is a, this is a B and this is a C can go higher also, but that time you care how it will react. So maybe it can go higher, but even though that time dollar can be a strength, so you can go, you can also uh, can make a what I assuming that it's at 1.38 also at that time both will can go higher also, may or may not, but I'm not sure about this here what the move, what it is happening. I'm not satisfied and I'm not in the trade also in the code, and I already did one short and I have stopped out. I will explain that also. Why means I shorted exactly here that 48.5 I did, and at that 49 sorry 47.9 I booked the profit. I'm expecting this is a one more high, so I exited at 48.5, 48.35, and I placed the stop loss above that 48.75 and I got stopped out, and I'm just looking for this wave formation because at that time there is a lot of chances for making this as a wedge formation. That is why I have entered here. That is why I entered. At the time this was a wedge formation. So here also ABC A, ABC B, and C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted like that only. This is a wedge formation. So now this wedge formation is broken. So what it will do is it may retest it here. So 48, 43, and again it can shoot to complete that structure. So let's see. So I think I covered everything. Gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, US30. Yeah, we finished everything. So thanks for watching my video, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. So you can learn also something from me. And thanks for watching and have a nice trade week ahead for you, all of them. And Merry Christmas. And the 25th is ahead. So Happy New Year advance and Merry Christmas to all. And have a profitable week, and do small trades. Don't get into this because it's low volatility will be there or high volatility will be there because of low volume. So sometimes it can make a spike also, sometimes there will be no movement. So be careful and be trade safe, and looking for my video for the positional views of the 7 to 9 pairs yet to make. So don't miss that. Just keep on watch on that all the positional major currency pairs for the positional view. So have a nice day, have a nice week, and to all of them, thanks a lot.